I got footage of us harvesting. I'll get some footage of some shredding, and some baling, and some raking. Just wait, just be patient, because I need to get a chance to work on editing and everything. My buddy's channel is taking forever. I'm starting to lose my mojo. Yeah, and he's taking a break. Actually, he's on break right now. Turkey Day break started today. So yeah. Thanks for being with me. Be patient. If you haven't already, check out my personal account. I'll like back up on this. And if you got any questions, let me know. I'll answer them proudly, confidently. And we're in the 850 using something that's made in the U.S. and Canada. It's made in North America. I love this country. I love America, and you know, I've been watching a guy from Canada. Some of their stuff doesn't seem that bad. If I could, I would go study abroad and over there, but I don't know what it's going to take. And I don't want to graduate to my hometown, but who knows? Who knows? Anyways, I gotta get back to work. Anything you want to say, Tim? Okay. Currently shredding stumps. I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. So yeah, we have about 50 seconds. Watch this. Alrighty, so I think it's time for good old Q&A. You can submit your questions if I don't answer them in this video. I'm just gonna go off of a few things. So, who are we? Well, I'm farming in the hills, 3rd generation. You can call me Quentin, Q-Top, or suggest an idea. But we have been farming in northeast Iowa for over 3 generations. This is our current farm, and we've owned it for 3 generations. And, yeah. We mainly use Alice Chalmers for tractors. If you haven't already, check out my equipment showcase. Right now I'm using the 8050. I'm using my boss's stock shredder. And I do work on the home farm sometimes, but not all the time. Because, I mean, we're just crop farmers now. So we don't farm all the time. We used to be dairy farmers, so yeah. Right now I'm walking around on the shredder, and I'm barefoot. Some of you guys may think I'm crazy just being in socks, but I find it comfortable. And whenever opportunity gives me, I will wear socks, just socks, but I can't do it all the time. We have a 7720 John Deere combine. I do not post all the time. I am the oldest child in our family. So when you hear me talking about younger siblings, I do mean younger siblings. I work for my buddy on his YouTube channel. And then I work for my boss, as I said earlier. Something I can do, I can pick up anything with skid loader bucket. I'm an okay stick welder, a great wire welder, a MIG welder, otherwise known as. I love thinking inside and outside of the box, and I want to continue making YouTube videos. This is something I enjoy. The reason why I started making YouTube is, well, 1, for fun, and 2, you guys can see what all farmers do. Not just the big guys, even the little guys. So, another person to check out would be Freedom Farms. I don't know what state he farms in, but he also farms with Alice stuff. So, let's get back.
I won't give up, taking all the time to get to you. And no one delivers any of the feelings that you do. I've saved my life, waiting for the dreams to all come true. Then I saw that you are everything I need to get me through. 'Cause we to make the ends meet and take my
everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're shredding stocks, and Timmy is our auto steer. Going a little wide, buddy.
I know.
Keep in mind, the bushing is out in this thing.
I know.
Sorry if there's any weird noises. That thing there, Timmy, with all the grass, that's a terrace.
Oh, okay. Just right through it. You cannot plant and right through the terrace. It's the waterway. We do not plant through the waterway.
So yeah, we got done late last night, and then we had tractor issues. It just died. We replaced all the fuel filters. Still was dying. Come out the next morning, think it's an air problem. Grandpa checks everything and he realizes no fuel is getting to the pump. So we go underneath, drop the plate, unplug it, and she's ran fine ever since. So yeah. So yeah. Timmy's our auto steer for now, and I'm gonna get us turned around in a few minutes. And I'm going to put you guys on the thing where I have you with the phone, and yeah, we're going to get going. We're stuck with the camera today, as you can tell, so yeah, let's get into the video.
How you guys doing? So, my brother Quentin is just wanting me to take a video of him doing this. So I'm gonna do it.
and he's coming back. Only if you get, only if we took a video of the hawk. We saw a hawk while we were coming through here, and I secretly named him Charles. There you go. Oh, it's like Charles. Huh. I wonder where Charles is. Unless that is Charles. And here he comes. Sliding right through. I'm backing up a bit.